You can use Autograph to illustrate integration as the area under or between curves. So you can use Autograph to illustrate questions such as this one here. I'm just going to copy the equations down. So I've loaded up Autograph. I'm going to go and load up my standard page. I'm going to put the higher equation in first, just so we can see what happens there. 8 x to the half, or 8 root x. You put your buttons down here if you want to type things in like that. That's going to give us this curve here. I can see that it quite quickly goes off the page, so I'm going to zoom out on the vertical scale. That gives us something like that. I can see that I've lost all my numbers, so I'm going to go back and put those in for myself. Every 1, I do numbers every 2, that one I do want every 1, and so we're looking something like that. I'm now going to put 2 points on the graph. So I'm going to put a point there, I'm going to put a point there. If we now select one point, shift select another point to select both points, because they're on the graph, we can now create the area underneath the graph. Just pausing there, because we've got a great example here. There's many other things that you could choose to do if you wanted to. Okay, just zipping through some of these. You could put another midpoint on the curve, straight lines, line segments, gradients. You can create circles. We can do vectors in Autograph. You can transform the whole thing. But for today, we're going with create. I'm going to do area and leave it as general. There's our integration. Okay, so it's illustrating the area underneath the curve. I'm just going to move it up so it's kind of nice. What about if we want between curves? Well, I'm just going to delete everything we've got. So that's all going to go. I'm then going to delete my points. I'm going to delete both of those. Let's enter that other equation in. So we've got y equals 2x to the 3 over 2. It's picked it up all correct. I'm happy with that. There's our other curve. I'm going to stretch this out. This looks nice. I did not really enjoy those horizontal lines everywhere. So this time, so I've actually forgotten how to do the area between two curves. Let's just click. I'm going to select one curve. I'm going to select the other curve and see if it's clever enough or intuitive enough to work it out for us, or to understand that that's what we want to do. So I'm going to click with general. Got this endpoint of 1. What does that do for us? I'm going to click OK. So it integrated between that intersection 0 and the endpoint of 1. What if I don't want the endpoint to be 1? What if I want the endpoint to be 4? There you go. We just double click, edit that endpoint, and change it to where we want. What if we didn't know that point was 4? Can we change it so that's a variable? Let me try. I'm going to put an A in there. So I guess at the moment the computer will think that A is 1. What if I manipulate that? I'm going to go in steps of 1, and hey, there we go. And we can go as far as we want. So that's our area between curves. We can use Autograph to show how to use integration as the area between curves.